Right here?
Yep. Ready for this?
I don't know.
All right, guys. We're up on ladders a lot today.
Day 2.
Yep. Let's hope that it all works out good.
Jay doesn't have his no ladder shirt on.
It's because I'm on ladders today. I'm not going to fight it. We're going to be on the ladders a lot. So at least we have a semi-flat surface to sit on in the middle of the greenhouse. It's a little more flat than most of the rest of everything. So guys, we got to get all the top support boards up on this 8-foot wall. Then I guess we're doing this super high up to like 11 or 12 feet. So we're going to have a nice big greenhouse with lots of space up in the rafters, up in the air.
Yeah, you can make some nice big hanging baskets and stuff, and then they're not all right in your face.
There you go. So
better to have too much space than not enough and say we should have built it bigger. Right?
Yep. It's going to be high. It's going to be up high. Are you halfway?
Now I am, yeah.
You're halfway right now?
Yeah.
Yep. Make sure, hold on a second. Can you reach that or not? I can throw it up there.
That's a little high.
A little bit, push on it a little bit more. All right, should be good.
Is your ladder okay?
Hope so. So this is not going on top of it, it's going inside of it.
Okay.
But at the top,
Okay.
like right here. So you just got to nail it in right there.
And straight.
I got the board.
Same thing, 5.
Yep. Not too close to the edges. You crack the board when you go that close to the edges. Try moving the ladder. You okay for a second?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Good.
It's a little bit better than pushing that one out because that's how those ones got.
Down a smidge.
All right. Close to the same height because they're all level, but that doesn't mean. All right, hold on. I'm gonna pull it off my thing here. How far are you? Are you on the board?
I'm on this board, yeah.
But you're not on the post yet?
No.
This one actually isn't too bad. Hey guys, today's video is sponsored by Jackery. There's some great Prime Day sales here in October, the 7th and the 8th. You already missed yesterday. Don't miss out today. Jackery has the best deals of the year right now. Let me tell you a little bit about the HomePower 3600 Plus. Jackery now has the new HomePower 3600 Plus. It's got big power, but even bigger capacity. The HomePower 3600 Plus alone will run your refrigerator for 2 to 3 days, or when expanded, can run it up to 14 days. With this unit, we can take care of our critical loads for a family of 3 to 6. We just took this unit camping with us. We cooked all our meals, charged all our devices, made coffee, and ran everything we needed with no troubles. Jackery units are built with zero drain technology. If you leave this unit stored for a year, you only lose 5% of its stored capacity. 95% of its battery capacity will be there, ready to go when you need it. And the Jackery is built for safety. It has next-generation heat-resistant ceramic membrane cells, so they're safer and more durable. Up to 6,000 charge cycles. That'll give you 10 years of use with this unit. That's a lot of peace of mind and makes this a great investment long-term. The HomePower 3600 Plus is plug-and-play, ready to go for that next grid down situation. So we could put up to 1,000 watts of solar input into the new HomePower 3600 Plus and charge this from 0 to 100% in just 4 hours. That's a pretty impressive number. And it's only 77 pounds. It's the lightest and smallest LifePO4 3.6 kilowatt unit on the market. Jackery's really perfected the system and perfected this unit. It has everything you need. Again, it's October Prime Days today. Pick up one of these units today. It's the best price you'll find. Don't forget about the HomePower 3000. There's a fantastic deal on that as well. If you've been waiting, don't wait any longer. Check out those links in the description box below and the first pinned comment. Good? Does that cover the whole thing?
It's just a tiny little bit doesn't.
Okay, that's good. Alright, I'm getting ready to screw it in then.
Okay.
Oh. Woo!
Day 2, video 2, unless you count the prep one as the first one, and then it's video 3.
I can't tell you or express to you guys how relieved I am to have this board up here. Or these boards. Now, granted, we have to do rafters still, and that's going to be a pain, but...
At least there's structure, right? For you
Yeah.
to have, like, lean against and stuff when you're doing them.
Yeah. You get this wall installed and get dirt in here, which we won't. It'd be a lot easier because Jen could just stand here. Jen could just stand here on the low end anyway. So that'll work good. And I'll be up on the high end. Now I could probably use the extension ladder.
Because you'll have something to lean
Have
against.
something
well.
solid, yeah.
You don't want to slip and fall like you did 5 years ago.
5 years ago. We'll show you the final project here, the final product.
Looks good. I'm
at the end
pretty
of the video.
excited for it.
Yep. This is like a massive wall. Massive. I tried to convince Jed to let me do it a lot smaller so we wouldn't have it so huge, but you see how that went. So this is going to be a massive wall here. This is just insane looking. Come look at this. Come look at this. Looks like a skyscraper. Come here and look at it from this direction now.
It's going to look cool, though, if someone have lots of pretty flowers growing in there all the time. So it's going to be like a lush tropical oasis in there.
I hope so.
It's going to be. I'm going to make it happen.
It'll be our little escape from the cold sometimes.
Yeah.
Maybe I can put one of those little wood stoves in there that we got from Dylan.
Yeah.
And we put a little wood stove in there. You're supposed to have that's perfect, right? You need a little, I mean, you could do propane, but a little wood stove is perfect
It's going to look cool, guys.
Yeah, we're going to have to make it look nice. I don't want it to look like a big plastic blob in the middle of our beautiful oasis, right?
Right.
We'll take and show you. Look at that. Look at the freaking wall. See how big it looks from right here?
And it will look pretty, though, once there's flowers and stuff. And
Yeah. Let's go show you from up at the cabin.
there you go, guys. That's how tall it will be, leaning this way. That's how tall it'll be. It'll be leaning this way. I think it's going to look pretty. It's going to be a super awesome greenhouse. What do you guys think? Is it too tall? Are we going to regret it? Or do you think bigger is better? Let us know in the comments. Always happy to hear what you think. Thanks for tuning in. See you on the next one. Bye.